Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you a Plasti dip job I did for someone while I was on the East Coast. You can see my other video of the Audi I did. I was there, so I did this one too. I'm going to be doing the door handles, the side panel along with the side moldings, the rear molding, and the rear letters. Also going to be doing the front letters around this grill here. Just going to black everything out. And of course the wheels and this piece here all along this bottom section here and up. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Instead of just taping it off, I just wrap the whole vehicle in plastic because there's so many parts that I have to paint, so I just wrapped it in plastic, and then I'm going to cut the plastic out and tape everything off at a slight distance, a couple of inches or so around everything. So here I have everything cut out. Again, this piece I'm going to be painting black, all of the letters, along with these bottom moldings. Trash bags, I use 13-gallon kitchen trash bags. I wrapped around the caliper and the rotor very tightly. Door handles, side moldings. And got the front end all taped out. So far I put like what they call a tack coat, just one or two basic coats for it to kind of dry, and then everything else piggybacks onto it. Again, I'm not finished yet. This is just maybe one or two coats. And I didn't have my tripod with me. I rarely ever film anything that I do with Plasti dip, so I'm kind of doing it on the fly here. And here's the final coat. Everything's done. I just didn't untape it yet. Get a good look around. That side piece there on the door came out pretty slick looking. I'm really happy with that one. The wheels also. I laid a very nice wet coat on the last two coats. You get that real nice, consistent finish. No orange peel at all. And like all the Plasti dip jobs, this one just kind of pick at it and it just pulls off the wheels. Especially if they have a lot of armor all on the tires, it really comes off really easy. Of course, I clean all the wheels and everything first with alcohol so that it sticks to it really nicely. This was a little tough to do with my hand because I was holding the phone with the other hand. No, that's not me talking fast while I fast forward it. I'm just doing that while I do the voiceover. Anyway, this is just a little overspray area, so if you are doing this on your own, that stuff just wipes off. I still got to walk around the car and do a couple of little cleanups here and there. And when peeling back tape and things like that, you want to pull away, up and away from everything so it doesn't stick to itself. It pulls the Plasti dip off. Okay, so we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle and take a look at how it turned out. Everything's nice and clean. No orange peel in it whatsoever. Of course, I painted cars since I was 14 years old, so for me to lay out Plasti dip, it's pretty simple to lay it out very smooth. It's just like painting a car. I really love the wheels. It's got that nice sheen to it, but it's not super shiny. And this side panel, again, look, there's everything laid out super flat, uniform. And that's all. If you have any questions or have a vehicle that needs to be Plasti dipped, feel free to contact me. Have a great day. Bye.